how to show or hide number keys on the keyboard for the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and then from here you tap on general management. Now we scroll down. In here, tap on Samsung keyboard settings, and then we go down and tap on layout. From here, tap on number keys, tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on, and that's it. So once it is turned on, you can see there is a number row on top of your on top of the letters, and if we switch it off, then it will combine together with the first row on your keyboard. So if I touch and hold, there is number 7 available there. So that is available as a secondary option. And that's it. Otherwise, you can have a dedicated rows just for numbers by turning on the number keys switch right here. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.